In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact Snapfish customer support. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in support.snapfish.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official support interface of Snapfish. You can see over here you'll be able to see various categories. You'll be able to see the categories like where is my order, change my order, problem with my order, etc. You can simply select the category that you need help with. But if you still want to contact the customer support, what you have to do is simply use the live support feature. For that, click on this option chat that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the chat box will be opened. Click on this option start chat. Now you'll be able to start chatting with Snapfish. What you have to do is simply enter the keyword in order to search. Click on the option of your choice, or you can also click on the search bar and enter the keyword over here. Now after you do that, your message will be sent. Now you can see over here the live chat will be able to solve your problem. They will reply to you promptly, from where you'll be able to contact them. Now after you do that, your message will be sent and Snapfish will reply to you promptly. So like this, you'll be able to contact them. So that is how you contact Snapfish customer support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.